person, some of you feeling very, very chaotic, and some of you feeling very delusional these days. So you are not able to make a decision what to do basically. So you're contemplating a lot, and all of this is causing a lot of it's actually bothering you a lot basically. I also see that some of you, you forever waited for this past person to make a move towards you, but then they were taking a very long time. And then finally you decided you cannot wait for them for such a long time, like they were really testing your patience, and then you were like, fuck it, I'm moving on, bye. And now this person shows up, and now you're like, what do I do? Shall I wait for this person, or shall I give this person a chance, or shall I move on? Something about two energies here very strongly, Gemini. So I think you're between two people, a new person and an old person. There's some gossips happening, somebody's spying you, somebody keeping tabs on you, and you are almost over this past person, and now they're trying to come back, and there is also another person, or they will be entering your life very soon, and you're basically confused. Ace of Pentacles and Seven of Cups. So the situation has become very confusing for you. We'll see. I also see that you're trying to find a way out now. So it's like things are so chaotic and things are so confusing. You're trying to find a way out of it, but you do not have all the information. So it's like, you want some concrete information about this past person so that you can move on, and you don't have that, which is why something keeps you holding, because you're like, what if this person comes back? What if we still have a connection? So that kind of confusion is actually keeping you stuck. I see somebody's energy is basically keeping you stuck. You want to move forward with the Ace of Pentacles, but then see again, you're trying to juggle two things. You're not able to make a decision because there's lack of information. You do not have the complete information to make a decision. You don't basically have some sort of clarity that you want to make a clear decision, to wait or to move on. A lot of confusion happening in your life these days, basically, Gemini. Alright, what else? Some of you, this could be career as well. Like, there is so much happening in your life that you're not able to decide, which is why there's a lot of confusion. And you don't know whether you should be staying in the same job or you should do something else. So something got you stuck, basically. Alright, give me some energy about this person that Gemini is dealing. Lovers. Gemini, somebody adores you a lot. This person definitely adores you a lot, but they're very hesitant to express their feelings. Some of you, this person is very egoistic. So it's like they feel that if they will express their love for you, their ego will compromise. I don't know. You might be dealing with somebody who's quite headstrong. This person might also have manipulated, or they just, manipulate their feelings towards you. Like, even if they care for you, we can see with the Lovers card, they have love for you, but then they choose to not show their emotions to you. So one day they act really well, like one day they're like all lovey-dovey, the Lovers card, but the other day they're like, love? What love? I don't love you. Or who said I love you? Or who said I want a commitment? So you're dealing with someone who's delusional, and they are making you delusional these days. Somebody is just holding back a lot, and very headstrong kind of individual, And you're basically losing your shit now over this person. You're like, what the fuck? Give me clarity. King of Cups. You have love for this person. I still feel that you want to make things work. But some of you, this person is becoming a depression for you. Or they're causing you a lot of mental strain. Somebody is really, really causing you a lot of mental strain these days. And you, Gemini, one day you feel that I am going to leave this person and move on, but the other day they do something that you again go back to square one. So some of you, you're really confused whether to move on or whether to wait for this person. And if this reading is not resonating with you up till this point, this is not for you. Because whoever I am channeling for, I definitely see, whichever Gemini I'm channeling for, wants a commitment with this person, want things to work, but because this person is taking so much time, now the Gemini has started second guessing whether this is going to happen or not. So some of you, some of you also feel that I should just go up and tell this person that I love them or I don't love them, whatever. But then you kind of hold yourself back because you feel, what's the point? It is the duty of this person to tell me. I have done my part, now I can't do anything. So some of you, you're also between that kind of energy where you feel that why should I do, like, this is not my job, this is this person's job. So a lot is being kept at hold, though there is so much potential here between both of you, but a lot of things have gone on a hold because of this back and forth moment basically. Okay, what is the advice for Gemini? 9 of Cups. Focus on your happiness, Gemini. I definitely feel that you have been stressed. Focus on your money and your happiness, Gemini. Really. And with the 9 of Cups, I would also ask you to maybe do a little bit of charity. That will also bring you some sort of peace, And stop expecting other people to make you happy. 9 of Cups could be that you are responsible for your happiness, and maybe your happiness comes from work or making more money or being more stable, having that financial security or whatever. Or just be more practical and be more mature. That's your message. This is what you should do right now. Do not try to take decisions from your heart. Try to take decisions from your head, all right? And keep your options open, Gemini, because I definitely feel that whether you want this person back or not, but you definitely have 3 kings here, which shows that you have other people who are interested in you. So it's not like you have lack of opportunities. If you want love, it can come from any direction, but you are so focused on, I don't know, one of them, a water sign, earth sign, fire sign, that you're not even paying attention to anyone else. So you're like this woman here. You are blocking your heart chakra, you are folding your legs, and you're just waiting for this person to make a move, and you're just ignoring other people. You're just basically giving a charge of your happiness to someone else. Stop doing that, all right? You have plenty of fishes basically and you can have anybody in life if you want to. You have been waiting for somebody to make a move, but they are so slow and nothing is coming out of it, or not much is coming out of it. Stop draining yourself. You definitely have love coming up, but it's like you just have to open yourself up. Okay, with the 9 of Cups and the 4 of Cups, if you will open yourself up, you will have this emotional stability and the emotional happiness that you're seeking for. Some of you, the problem is that you're trying to figure out why somebody did something. That's not your job. If somebody does something bad to you or somebody acts weird to you, it's not your job to go and find why they did it. Let universe figure it and punish this person, or let their karma figure it out. Do not participate in this, okay? Do not try to go after people who do not value you, basically. Okay, give me some more energy for Gemini in the month of May. What's gonna happen? 10 of Swords, see? And the 5 of Pentacles. Some of you, your finances could be an issue. Be very careful before investing, or be very careful with your money. Some of you spending very lavishly, and I can understand it's your birthday month. Please pay attention to your finances, okay? Because 5 of Pentacles and 10 of Swords can definitely show financial constraints. Okay, what else? 8 of Pentacles, see? And if you are having some financial issues, then it's asking you to look at a place where you're not looking at. So some of you, you're just trying to look at only one direction of making money. It's basically asking you to look at different directions. Try to find a solution from a place where you never expect, because 5 of Pentacles is basically, you should try to look at a place where you do not expect it to come from. And if you do that, you will definitely have a lot of money with the 8 of Pentacles. Some of you will be working really hard this month, or you're working on some sort of project or something, you're very invested. These days it's going to pay you well, but you will have to hustle very hard for that. So expect your workload to increase, basically. And when it comes to love, some of you, you're definitely trying to hold back because you feel, though I feel that you have a lot of love, but you're being very practical. Some of you, you are not showing your emotional side to this person, and you're just showing to this person that you've become very logical. And that's because you feel that what's the point of me doing everything and waiting for this person when this person does not give me anything, or they do not give me as quickly as I want. So you feel it's better to stay quiet and not invest. So it's like, even though you want things to happen for you, you won't bother. Okay, what else? Wow, Ace of Cups. You are expecting for a new beginning, Gemini. These days you're contemplating a lot. Some of you, you're expecting a new beginning in love. For others of you, it's career. I don't know. But you're definitely expecting for a very big change, a new beginning. But things are happening really slow and it's testing your patience, with the Four of Swords energy again. Things are moving really slowly. And being a Gemini, when things move slowly for us, it's irritating. Okay. Okay, anything about Gemini in the person? Page of Cups. I see communication coming in. A lot of communication. We already have 3 pages here. Gemini, expect someone to come running towards you with a communication, Especially I see 2 cards wanted to come. So it's Temperance and the Knight of Swords. And with 3 pages already here, I see a lot of I don't know, like either you will be very communicative or people are going to talk to you a lot. Or I think, your phone is already buzzing a lot these days. Like many different people are just approaching you basically, So a lot of communication, back and forth communication is happening in your life. And these communications could be from these different people that are coming in your life. And to my surprise, just see this. So we have Page of Wands, King of Wands, so there could be a communication from a fire sign. King of Pentacle, Page of Pentacle. So there could be a communication coming from this person. You have a lot of different people who are approaching you with communication basically. And somebody here from your past might also be running back to you to communicate. You still have feelings and emotions for this person. You want to have a new beginning, but you do not want to be the only one doing everything. And you were really holding on to this person very strongly, very tightly. You wanted things to work, but it didn't happen. This person kept moving away from you, kept closing themselves emotionally, and now you're tired. Okay, what is happening with this person these days? Why are they not making a move? 8 of Wands. I think a lot of things are happening in this person's life these days. 8 of Wands could be many things happening at the same time. So this person could be busy or a lot of changes are happening in their life. 7 of Pentacles. Some of you, this person is really busy with their career. So that could be one reason. But whatever is the case, you're definitely heartbroken over this person because you were like, I invested so much time and you don't even appreciate, So maybe it could not be a third party situation. It's just that your person is too busy for you. And you feel that they don't give you the time. They don't give you the energy. Ace of Swords. You have a new beginning possible, Gemini. And with the Magician at the bottom of the deck, I definitely feel that if you want to manifest love in your life, you have all the tools, all the knowledge. Some of you try to look in new places. Like if somebody is draining you and if you feel that there is no point, then look for love in a new place. With the Magician and the Ace of Swords, you might have a Gemini or an air sign in your life. Could be water, fire sign, any sign. Earth sign could be here. There is some sort of divine timing playing in with the Wheel of Fortune, which is why things have been delayed. Some of you will be meeting a soulmate, I think, I don't know, or a twin flame relationship next. So you are capable of manifesting a soulmate relationship if you put in the work. Anything is possible, You're capable of manifesting things and things can happen for you. So I definitely see new beginnings and a lot of communication. Like your phone is going to buzz a lot this month, Gemini. And if you feel that something or someone was draining you, just isolate yourself from the person or the situation. Something wasn't stable, change your perspective. Divert your attention. Temperance, see? Temperance is basically you changing your perspective to things, trying to mix and match the situation to get your results. So try to do that, make some adjustments in your life. If you do not want a past person, let them go. But there's definitely someone from the past coming really quickly towards you. I see a lot of messages from different people. Gemini, I see this month, you have a lot of options. So there are many options actually. If you want to explore, if you're one of those playful Geminis, you'll have a good time, But playful not in a bad way, not like fuckboys or fuckgirls. It's like if you're single and you don't have anybody or you're waiting for somebody, you still have a lot of people who have their eye on you. So it's a good reading in that way, All right, give me a message with Gemini, please, for month of May. Retreat. You're not paying attention, Gemini. The problem is you're not paying attention, but very soon I see true love. Very soon I see really good love coming in your way, and some of you more than one option, definitely. But you know, as I already said, you're very focused on only one person, so you just want it from them. But yeah, even I see that this person is also going to communicate with you. But yeah, you have plenty of other fishes that you can fish. Alright, that was the reading. Hope this helps to resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.